Made in the United States of America. What it means to me really is pride, I think. Having grown up during the great outsourcing 35 years ago when it started, all I heard about is we don't make anything here in the United States anymore. And you know, you heard about the Rust Belt and this massive job losses and all these things and all the problems that it wrought upon society. It wiped out entire communities. So we lost that social safety net, which is terrible. And I think that any manufacturers in business right now owes it to themselves, to the country, really, to bring back what they can bring back here to the United States. We were famous for making solid sandcast bronze product. I often say that I think the Antiques Roadshow in 100 years was, someone's going to bring in our lights and they'll say, oh, that was made by this crazy guy in New Jersey. Our stuff is made to last forever. So we started there and we looked around and we realized we can manufacture those products here as competitively as we can manufacture them anywhere in the world. And we went around and we found bronze foundries and recycled metal suppliers and box suppliers and wire mills and copper tubing mills and all the myriad of products that go into this and all the people that it support. We deal with women that are employed. We have men. We have all kinds of interns and what happens is, and I go back to my economics class, is Economics 101, I always remember the term the velocity of a dollar, right? $1 in circulation during its lifetime will create something like $1,000 worth of economic activity. And when you employ people, they're paying Medicare and Medicaid and Social Security, and they have 401k plans, and their employers are matching that. And that really helps strengthen the social safety net of any community. And as you multiply that across thousands of industries all across the country, it just does good things for the country. It creates, I think, a sense of pride. And when someone says to me, hey, we don't make anything here in the United States anymore, I can say, no, we make a ton of stuff here in the US. And I think we owe that to the country, and we're bringing back, and we need to bring back as much as we can of what we can make here. Is it 50% or 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% of the product? That's great, but bring back what you can. And I think every executive needs to embrace this. And that's what made the United States mean to me. It's pride, and there you have it.